Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be going over some cheap deals and freebies that y'all can pick up at Family Dollar this week. Plus, I have a 5 off $25 scenario to share with y'all for this Saturday. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so for anyone who is new to couponing at Family Dollar, I'm going to go over a few quick tips with you all, and it's basically just the same as couponing at Dollar General. So keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you are in the store to scan each item with your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach, and also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Alright, now first up, I want to go over a few sales that stood out to me in this week's Family Dollar ad. So first up, we have our drink deals. We have Coca-Cola and Sprite 12 packs. They are on sale, 3 for $12. Alright, next up, we have Pepsi and Mountain Dew 6 packs. They are on sale, 3 for $10. And we also have the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs. They are on sale this week, 3 for $10. Next up, we have the Dr. Pepper brand 12 packs. Those are on sale, 3 for $11. And here's a really good sale on the Dr. Pepper 2 liters. They're on sale this week, 2 for $2, making those just $1 each. And they also have the 128 ounce jugs of Hawaiian Punch. Those are on sale this week, 2 for $4. Alright, next up we have a few sales on cleaning supplies this week at Family Dollar. Now keep in mind we do have some pretty good deals on cleaning supplies at Dollar General as well, but I thought if you guys are already out at Family Dollar, these might be worth picking up. So first up, we have the Fabuloso Wipes 35 count or the multi-purpose cleaner 28 ounces. These are on sale, 3 for $5. And then we also have the Lysol wipes 35 count. Those are on sale, 3 for $7. Alright, next up we have the 28 ounce Ajax dish liquid. Those are on sale, 3 for $6. And then we also have the 32.5 ounce Palmolive dish liquids. Those are on sale, 2 for $6. Alright guys, now the next thing I want to talk about is the P&G spin promotion. Now, I know that y'all have seen this spin deal at several different stores over the past few weeks. First we had it at Walgreens, then it popped up at Dollar General. We still have that promotion going on at Dollar General this week, and now I found it in the Family Dollar ad as well. But this one here is a little bit different. At first, I was kind of excited to see that Family Dollar had this P&G spin promotion at their store as well, because I am fairly new to couponing at Family Dollar, so I'm not quite sure how regularly they have the spin promotion there, but there are some significant differences. For one, you actually have to spend $20 or more out of pocket to get back that $5 coupon, and the only products that are included in this P&G spin promotion are P&G paper products or laundry products. So I just wanted to go ahead and mention that and remind you all that we do have that P&G spin promotion going on at Dollar General this week, and with their spin promotion you only have to spend $15 out of pocket to get back that $5 coupon. So it's definitely a better deal at Dollar General, and I will be coming up with some new P&G spend scenarios for y'all, so make sure that you have your notifications turned on so that you don't miss out on any deals. Alright guys, now let's get into some coupon matchups. So first up, we have this 4 off 2 digital coupon for the U by Kotex products. So if you want to pick up these U by Kotex security pads 22 count, these are priced at $3.40. Pick up 2, use that coupon, and that's going to be paying $2.80 for 2, making those just $1.40 each. Alright, next up we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Maybelline New York makeup products. So if you want to pick up the Maybelline powders, those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Alright, next up we have a 4 off 1 digital coupon for the CoverGirl face products. So if you want to pick up the CoverGirl pressed powder, those are priced at $6.50. So after that coupon is applied, you're going to pay $2.50. Alright, next up we have a 4 off 1 digital coupon for the CoverGirl eye products. So if you want to pick up the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Black Brow Pencil, those are priced at $4.75. After that coupon is applied, you're going to pay just 75 cents. Alright, next up we have a 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Neutrogena acne products, and this coupon is working on the Neutrogena facial cleansing bar 3.5 ounces. These are priced at just $3.25, so after that coupon is applied, you're going to pay just 25 cents. So how awesome is that? Alright, next up, here's another really awesome deal. We have a $2.50 off one digital coupon for the Clean and Clear products. If y'all can find this Clean and Clear Lemon Zesty Scrub, 4.2 ounces, these are priced at just $3. And with that $2.50 off one digital coupon, that's going to leave you paying just 50 cents. Alright, next up we have this one-off one digital coupon for the Craz-E products. Now this particular body wash may be in your clearance section, so check in the regular spot and then go over to the clearance section and check there as well. So if you can find the Craz-E Charcoal and Pink Lotus body washes, these are priced at $2.50. So after that coupon is applied, you're going to pay just $1.50. Alright, next up we have a 2 off 2 digital coupon for the Dove products, and these are some of my favorite coupons that we get at Family Dollar because every time we get them, it usually means that we're going to have some freebies. So if you guys can pick up 2 of these Dove 1-count bar soaps for $1 each found in the dollar section, use that digital coupon and you're going to get 2 bars of Dove soap for completely free. Alright, next up, another really good deal. We have $1 off of any 2 Suave products. Now this digital coupon is working on the Suave 1.4 ounce deodorants. These are priced at $1.25 each. So pick up 2, use that coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $1.50 for 2, making those just 75 cents each. Alright, next up, another deodorant deal. So we have this 1 off 1 digital coupon for Suave, Degree, and Axe men's grooming products. So if you want to pick up the Degree men's sport deodorant, 1.7 ounces, these are priced at $2.35. So after that 1 off 1 digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay just $1.35. Alright, next up we have a couple more freebies. So we received this 2 off 2 digital coupon for the Oral-B toothbrushes. So pick up 2 of the Oral-B Healthy Clean Medium toothbrushes at $1 each. Use that digital coupon and you're going to get 2 toothbrushes for completely free. Next up, we have some razor deals. So we received this 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Bic Soleil, the Flex, or the Hybrid disposable razors. Now this digital coupon is working on the Bic Silky Touch razors, 10 count. These are priced at $3.50. Use that 3 off 1 digital coupon and that's going to leave you paying just 50 cents. Or you could also use this 3 off 1 digital coupon on the Bic Deuce disposable razors, 10 count. These are priced at just $3.25. So after that 3 off 1 digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay just 25 cents. Now here is another option that y'all can pick up with that 3 off 1 digital coupon. You can pick up the Bic Sensitive disposable razors, 10 count. These are also priced at $3.25. Use that 3 off 1 digital coupon and that's going to leave you paying just 25 cents. Now, we also have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Bic Single Blade or Twin Blade razors. So if you want to pick up the Bic Silky Touch razors 10 count, again, they're priced at $3.50. Use the 2 off 1 digital coupon and that's going to leave you paying $1.50. Or you could also use this 2 off 1 digital coupon on the Bic Sensitive disposable razors, 10 count. These are priced at $3.25. So after that 2 off 1 digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $1.25. Alright guys, now before y'all go, I wanted to go ahead and share with you all my 5 off $25 scenario that I have planned out to do this Saturday, which is July the 9th at Family Dollar. Now, I'm not sure why, but when I took this screenshot, I didn't notice that this is showing the date as July the 2nd for the 5 off $25 coupon, but I just double checked and there is a 5 off $25 coupon in the Family Dollar app for this Saturday, July the 9th. Alright guys, now for this scenario, you want to pick up 2 of the Suave women's deodorants, 1.4 ounces for $2.50. They're $1.25 each. 1 of the Degree men's deodorants, 1.7 ounces for $2.35. 1 of the Craz-E charcoal body washes at $2.50. 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes at $2. Those are $1 each. 1 of the Neutrogena bar soaps for $3.25. 2 of the Dove 1-count bar soaps for $2. Those are $1 each. 1 of the Clean and Clear Zesty face scrubs at $3. 1 of the CoverGirl eyeliners or brow pencils for $4.75. And 1 of the Bic Sensitive razors for $3.25. Now you could also pick up the Bic Deuce razors if you would rather have those instead. So that's going to bring your subtotal to $25.60. And here are your coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. Alright, now here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 1 off 2 Suave products, the 1 off 1 Degree, Axe, and Suave men's, the 1 off 1 Craz-E product, the 2 off 2 Oral-B toothbrushes, the 3 off 1 Neutrogena, the 2 off 2 Dove products, the 250 off 1 Clean and Clear product, the 4 off 1 CoverGirl eye product, and the 3 off 1 Bic razors. That is going to bring your subtotal after coupons all the way down to just $1.10 for 12 items, making each one about 9 cents each. So I am definitely going to be making a trip out to Family Dollar on Saturday, and hopefully they have everything in stock because this is an amazing deal. Now, once you're done shopping, don't forget to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards Rebate app because you should get some extra points on those Unilever products such as Suave and Caress because they are included in the Fetch Rewards program. Now, if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, this is one rebate app that I highly recommend, especially if you are a new couponer, because this is the easiest rebate app out there. You don't have to add anything onto your account. You don't have to worry about keeping up with anything. All you have to do is once you're done shopping, take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on the products that you purchase. Every receipt earns points no matter what, and then later on you can turn those points into gift cards. So if you're not already signed up, definitely go and check it out. My referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below, and if you use my referral code, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Alright guys, now I won't keep you all much longer, but I did want to go ahead and do a quick little friendly reminder that we did receive a new 3 off 15 DG store coupon for Dollar General for the month of July. And yesterday I did upload a video going over some deals that y'all can do any day of the week this week at Dollar General with that 3 off 15 coupon, and I did include the link to that 3 off 15 DG store coupon so that you guys can add that onto your account and run out and grab some of these awesome deals. So if you missed that video, I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below, so definitely go and check it out. And then don't forget, we still have that P&G spend promotion going on at Dollar General this week. For when you spend $15 out of pocket on P&G products, you're going to get a $5 coupon back on the bottom of your receipt. So I will have a video coming out later on today with some new P&G spend scenarios. So make sure that you have your notifications turned on so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and like I said, stick around because I'll have those P&G spend deals coming up here shortly. So if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. Leave me a comment down below and take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every single one of you. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.